Today's project actually started because of me discovering this a few days ago. This is in our basement, and I saw this water spot on the floor, and I can show you where it came from. This is where the water goes up through the floor into our kitchen, to the kitchen sink. And that is where it was dripping from. So now we'll go upstairs and explore where those drips are originating. This is our kitchen faucet. This is a Delta brand. And we've been pretty much happy with it. It does have a drip that I need to fix. There was one right there. I have a part for that. But that's not what caused the water to drip in the basement. So let's take a look underneath. So when I first saw the water in the basement, I thought it had to have been dripping from the drain, so I put this bucket to try to catch any water. But I quickly discovered that was not the problem. So when I started watching, I saw that the water was actually dripping down the sprayer hose. There's a couple drips right there. And you can see if I turn the water on that it flows more steadily. So, I was trying to figure out where that drip is coming from. And I discovered that it's coming from where the sprayer connects. There's a clip there, and it looks like it's actually coming from the sprayer hose end of that male connection into the female. So I'm going to take a look at that and see if that's where it's coming from. So one of the reasons we paid a little more for this Delta faucet is because it comes with a lifetime warranty, and of course that gives you peace of mind. So when I saw that the issue was coming from the sprayer connection, I contacted Delta. First went to their website, left a comment, used the contact us form, filled it out, submitted it, waited about 2 days, didn't hear anything by email or phone. So I called the Delta phone number. I was on hold and it said longer than normal wait times, I'm sure because of the current COVID-19. So I waited about 19 minutes, decided I couldn't wait any longer, and hung up, and ended up just ordering the part from Amazon. So this is the part I needed. It's a part number RP53880SS. And it does appear to be the correct part. So now we'll work on taking that old sprayer out, putting this one in, and see if it solves the problem. Upon further inspection, it looks like partly the water's coming from a little crack in the hose right there. But there are also drips up above in between the black connector piece and the hose. So I'm glad I ordered the hose. I think replacing it's the right move. So the first thing I'll do is turn the water off to the faucet. I have shark bite connectors that include the shutoff valves. And I have a towel here to catch any water that drips. That blue clip right there is what I need to remove. So I'm going to do that. It'll take 2 hands. I was able to pop that blue clip off, which should release the black section, and I am expecting some water to drip down. So I ended up needing to remove that blue clip entirely, and it did drip some when I pulled it off. So I'm going to pull the old sprayer up out. I have the new sprayer here, so I'll feed the hose down through. And we'll go back underneath to make that connection. And we're going to just put that new male end into the female end. It took 2 hands, but I was able to put that connector back up in, and the clip just clipped right on the back. Now let's see if that solves our problem. I'm going to turn the water back on. And I'll run the faucet and see if we get any drips. Looking good here. Got hot. We've got cold. Got a sprayer that works. No drips. So thank you for coming along on this fix today. See you again soon. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, tell your friends about us.